Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're decoding a massive biological mystery to totally supercharge your heart. Meet the bowhead whale. This 80-ton absolute giant actually thrives in freezing Arctic waters. And incredibly, these massive mammals can live for well over 200 years. Which brings up Peto's paradox. How does a creature with so many dividing cells avoid cancer? Their secret is simple but profound. You gotta repair cellular damage, don't just replace it. Triggered by the cold, these whales produce 100 times more CIRB protein repair than humans. It floods the damaged site, flawlessly fixing double-strand DNA breaks to stop aging mutations in their tracks. Astonishingly, researchers found this exact genomic stability and cellular superpower is literally transferable to human cells. But to fuel this flawless repair system, we have to look deep inside our mitochondria. Think of your heart as a cardiac furnace requiring constant ATP energy synthesis and cold exposure thermogenesis. The absolute critical spark plug required to fire up this cardiac furnace, that's magnesium. Magnesium drives ATP synthesis, supports heart muscle function, and actively clears harmful cholesterol right out of your body. So, to emulate the whale's furnace, we've got to combine cold exposure with highly bioavailable magnesium. Dr. Anastasia Vela's clinical solution for this protocol is VILAVI T8 EXTRA 90%. It uses the patented CYP-XP complex, combining polyphenols, conifer paste, and Siberian first cell sap. That first cell sap delivers the exact bioavailable magnesium your cardiac furnace desperately needs. Meanwhile, the 90% polyphenols repair and protect your mitochondrial membranes from oxidative stress. Here's the protocol. Dissolve a 2 milliliter daily serving in water and consume it twice daily. Just remember, always use room temperature water, never hot, and avoid taking this late in the evening. Pair this magnesium protocol with brief cold exposure to truly spark your ATP synthesis. The blueprint is right here. So are you ready to fuel your own 200-year cardiac furnace?